Unleash the power of innovation with Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. Get ready to redefine what you thought was possible with a smartphone. Join us on this journey and be a part of the tech revolution. Discover the magic of AI, experience camera features like never before, and dive into a world where your smartphone gets smarter every day. Don't just upgrade, transform your tech experience with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Stay tuned. Samsung Galaxy S24. A new era of smartphone innovation. Samsung is set to redefine the smartphone landscape with the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. The tech giant is not only pushing the boundaries of camera technology, but also extending its update support to an unprecedented 7 years. This move comes hot on the heels of Google's similar announcement for their Pixel 8 series, marking a significant shift in the industry's approach to device longevity. A new benchmark in smartphone updates reliable sources have hinted that Samsung might increase its update support to 7 years, starting with the Galaxy S24 series. This news has surfaced just days before the much-anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17, 2024. While this is yet to be confirmed, the possibility seems plausible, especially considering Google's recent announcement of a similar timeframe for their Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro camera flagships. Galaxy AI, the future of photo editing Samsung, appears to have taken a leaf out of Google's book this year with the introduction of the Galaxy AI. This suite of generative AI features, already familiar to Pixel 8 users, is set to revolutionize photo editing on Samsung devices. The Magic Editor clone, one of the many features under the Galaxy AI umbrella, will allow users to move, enlarge, or change objects in photos with ease. This, coupled with the advanced camera hardware of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra, promises to deliver a superior photography experience. The future of AI, a subscription model? However, the introduction of these advanced AI features has also sparked discussions about a possible subscription model. According to the latest leaks, the new AI functions on supported Galaxy phones will be free of charge until at least 2025. Post that, some of these functions could potentially become chargeable. While the specifics are still under wraps, this development could mark a significant shift in how smartphone manufacturers monetize their AI capabilities. As we eagerly await the official announcement, one thing is clear: Samsung is pushing the envelope in smartphone innovation. Whether it's the extended update support or the introduction of advanced AI features, the Galaxy S24 series is set to make waves in the industry. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the Galaxy Unpacked event. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.